How to use Asana for beginners project management guide. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm giving you a tutorial on Asana project management, how to use Asana as a complete beginner to create tasks, collaborate with your team, and much more. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to go to asana.com and you will land right here. Asana is a project management software that allows you to create your team, create tasks, projects, dashboards. You will be able to create different boards, prioritize your work, meet your deadlines, collaborate with your team, and much more. With Asana, we can get started for free. So once you get on the website right here, you can click on Get Started. In order to create an account, all you have to do is just enter your email address and click on sign up. You can also sign up with your Google account. After the initial sign up or sign in to your asana.com, this is where you will get. You can see this is our home on Asana, and this is the first thing that we see. On this side of the screen, we have our home, which is this right here. Then we have my task. This is where you will be able to see all of the tasks that are assigned to you. Then we have an inbox because there's a built-in inbox within Asana where we can communicate. Then we have reporting, portfolios, and goals. Portfolio is something that we can create with Asana upgraded plans, and we can actually add all of our work here. Then here you can see all of my different projects that I have created on Asana. We have invite teammate option right here, and then we have help and guide. So what you will do is you will select any of the project from here or create a new one with this plus button right here. We also have the project option here. You can see it's showing me all of the projects that I have and then a create project option. So let's create a new project from the scratch. Click on create project. Blank project, use a template or import a spreadsheet. So let's use a template. There is a template library on Asana for different purposes and different categories. For instance, we have content calendars available, we have business plans, a work request, we have meeting agenda, startup meetings, Asana basic training, we have bug tracking, marketing agenda, then we have product, then we have simple sales, we have marketing, and more. So it depends on you what you want to do with Asana. With Asana, let's actually go with a board for project management. So we'll just go with the content calendar for our YouTube channel. Click on use template. Now you have to give your project a name. We can call it content calendar or something else. What I will do is I will give it the name of our channel. Now we have to select the privacy, public to marketing or private to me. So I'm going to go with this one and click on next. Here we have to enter the scheduled dates, but we can do this later as well. And this is where you will get. You can see this is actually a calendar view on Asana, but there are other views available too. So most of the time you will be getting the list view first. There are different views that we can go for. There is an overview, then we have list. This is the board view. Then we have a timeline view, calendar view, workflow view, dashboards, and more. Click on more and you will be able to see the messages and files. So I'm going to keep it to the board view because this is the one that I prefer and it's very easy to use. Again, we're getting all of the options at this side of the screen. So let's expand it and you can see this is my board on Asana. We can change the icon here. Then I showed you the different views we have. Here we have show fields. These are my different lists that we have already created, and you can see with each list I have different tasks that I can create. This is a reference list, then we have content in progress, content ideas, and then we can add another list or a section. So let's create another one which is going to be completed like this. Click on done. If you want to change the name for these, you can do that. For instance, we have content ideas and then we have this one which is the reference. So I do not have any content ideas or something. So what I do is I'm just going to go with the content ideas like this ideas. We can change the name as we like, and I can add maybe another section for to-do list or something like that. So it totally depends on you. You can change the a section name right here. Then we have the tasks, of course, how to create a task on Asana. We have this plus button right here to add a task. Then we have this button right here to add a task. So we can use either of these. I will click on add a task right here. Now you have to give your task a name. Let's call it a test task. Click enter and a task will be created. So you can see right here, I will open it up. Now we have assignee. So we can add the assignee. I'm going to just assign it to myself. Then we have a due date. So in due date, you will set the due date, and you can also create a recurring task here if you click on set to repeat. After that, we have a project. So this is where I will select the project and then our section. We can also add a priority. So in priority, I'm going to keep it to high. Then we have a description, and then we have write a comment. In comment, again, we can add different collaborators and also add descriptions and add subtask. You can see at the top we have a link file. We will be able to copy the link. Then we have attach. So this is where I attach the files, any documents, any kind of photo and video you have, you can attach here. Then we have these three dots for more actions. Here we have mark as a milestone. We have a mark as approval, add tags, a convert to, print, and delete as well. This is where we add the tags. So tags actually help us organize our tasks better. So for instance, this is actually editing. So I'll just add the tag right here and I will get an idea that this is actually in the editing. So this is how a task is created within Asana. Once a task is done, you can move it very easily with a simple drag and drop. For instance, this task I just created now is in progress. After that, it was completed, so I'll just drag and drop it right here. So you can see this is what it looks like. We can also add assignees really easily with the quick access from here, and it will just add the person. Again, we can add more tasks here. With this section, click on these three dots. You will be able to rename, add a more sections to it, or delete it. At the top, we have customize. Click on customize and you will get more fields, such as the fields that I have right now are priority, we have a due date and assignee, but we can add more. Then we have rules that we can add and apps. So Asana is actually really famous for its integrations, and we can integrate Slack, Microsoft Teams, Google Calendar, Zoom, HubSpot, anything we want to, you will be able to integrate here. Then we have the forms and task templates right here. There are different templates available for the task as well, available in the upgraded plan. So using Asana is actually really easy, and for project management, it gives you a lot of different views to go for. You can create tasks, you can create projects, and then organize the project better. If you want to invite someone to your board right here, you will get the share option at the top here. Click on share, enter their email address, and an invitation will be sent to them. So this is how you invite someone on ClickUp. Other way to invite someone, you can open up the menu and we have invite teammate, and then you can select your board, which is this one. Similarly, I will be able to move to other boards and projects very easily with this option here. At the top, we have reporting. This is where I will be getting the reports of all of the projects that I'm doing. So you can just click on reporting. And for this, you will actually have to upgrade to premium. Let me show you the pricing plan for Asana so you will get a better idea what are the different features you're getting for free and for which features you have to upgrade to premium, and what is the affordability of the platform. When it comes to the pricing plan, it's pretty simple. We have basic for free. With this, we're getting unlimited tasks, unlimited projects, and more options. Then we have premium, which is going to be 10.99 USD per user per month if billed annually, and 13.49 USD if billed monthly. Then we have a business for $24.99 per user per month if billed annually. So you can scroll down to check all of the different features here. Of course, we're getting some of the more features with the upgraded plans. So you can check out the plans right here and sign up for asana.com. With Asana, you can also set your goals with the goal option right here. Create a portfolio where you can add all of your different projects and create a portfolio within asana.com. Then we have the inbox. This is where we can collaborate with our team. Here you'll find your send message option. Then we have activity, archive, and message I have sent. This is like our, private inbox that we get with Asana. So if I open up any of the projects now, this is what it looks like as I showed you, and this is the list view. It's quite similar what we can do within the different views, and we also have a calendar view available within Asana for free. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope now you know how to use asana.com as a complete beginner. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.